very much for giving us as Pergam Group a chance to speak in front of such esteemed audience. I'm excited with the opportunity to give you some insight about our solutions with regard to gas leak detection, because this is our major engineering objective as a company. Because while the previous presenters were giving very professional insight on the on how to source, how to transmit, transport, how to distribute and consume gas of different types. So our objective is how to make all these stages safe. How to make safe production, safe transportation, how to make safe distribution and safe consumption. Okay. In several presentations, I noticed that the city gas distribution segment takes a significant part of the overall gas consumption here in India, and we try to, just having this in mind, we try to bring to the exhibition which is taking place next door here, the solutions which are more relevant exactly to city gas distribution companies. But I will take this opportunity to give you an insight on what our company is doing in general terms. And here I will start with this first introduction of Pergam Group. So we celebrate 30 years since it's been established back in 1996. We initiated as a small engineering team in Moscow, Russia, and then with the years to come expanded to a group known internationally. We have offices operating in China, in USA, in Switzerland, in Italy, in Russia and Kazakhstan, with over 150 people altogether working on the solutions for gas leak detection. And there are several proprietary solutions, branded names, namely Alma, Selma, LMC, LMF, and LMS. Those solutions were designed, produced, and distributed by our company. So, behind all the major solutions, there is a method which is called Tunable Diode Laser Absorption Spectroscopy, TDLS. That's one of the most advanced technique how to precisely and accurately detect methane leaks. So in this scheme, one can see how the principle works. So the emitting laser diode gives the laser beam towards the target, and if there is a methane cloud between the infrared laser diode and the back wall, so this methane is detected because the laser beam is adjusted to the wavelengths, absorption wavelengths of methane, and the residual energy which is detected by the device gives the calculation of methane concentration within this path of the laser beam. So the technology is patented in the US, in Europe, and CIS. So we use our own patents, and our solutions are built on these patents. So this is a look on what we produce, what we offer to the market of gas leak detection, and basically we try to cover all the areas starting from the solutions which are used in the manual mode as a handheld devices, handheld detectors. Then we produce solutions which could be used on the vehicles as a patrolling vehicles, specifically interesting solution for city distribution companies. And we have one of our latest device exhibiting here. So you are very welcome to, during lunch or tea break, come up and see it in live. So also we are practicing solutions for UAV gas leak detection inspections. So different payloads which could be carried by different type of UAVs for area inspections for gas leaks. And we also present so-called fixed solutions, which are most suitable for gas distribution stations, for LNG plants, for refineries, and this type of setups, which can work 24/7 and give immediate information on methane leaks if they occur. And the last but not the least, we use light aviation and helicopters for patrolling cross-country pipelines, gas pipelines. Just in some countries, it's a must to make the surveys of the gas pipelines on the regular basis. So we do that in 15 countries with more than 300,000 kilometers inspected through these years. So, and this solution is called ALMA. So you can see on this slide the small white piece on the nose of the helicopter. This is exactly the device which we produce and which is used for methane detection on the ground. So at the end of the inspection, the customer receives the report with the exact route of the inspection and the spots where the methane concentration exceeded the threshold which the customer set up. So we also provide the video file and snapshots of the areas where the leakages occurred. So there are different carriers which could be used for these type of inspections, different type of two-seater, four-seater helicopters. So it depends on the objective, on the customer plans, the distance that need to be covered during the inspection. So, and we have different type of equipment to adjust our detectors to different type of the helicopters. So what we inspect, different type of pipelines for possible threats to the construction, to the asset, illegal activities around, some geological obstructions like landslides or earthquakes and so on, indications on the vegetation around, and different type of security threats. That's all being done during the inspection, besides the methane leak detection. For vehicle-based solutions, and I will reiterate that we have one solution exhibiting here. So the product line is called Selma. So basically the solution is the detector is being mounted on the roof of any type of commercial vehicle or pickup, or it could be a motorbike also. So it rotates 360 degrees and it could tilt upwards and backwards. and it heads towards the objects during the motion of the vehicle. So the vehicle can, depending on the model of the detector, the vehicle can move at the speed from 30 to 50 kilometers per hour without becoming an obstacle to the traffic. So here is the short video. Could you please? Thank you. And there should be some sound. Because there is some music, okay, all right, good. So it's a movable PTZ camera, which is mounted with the magnetic feet on any type of metallic surface, top of the vehicle. It's powered with the cigarette lighter. Connected with the power supply and electronic unit. Here it is the inspection routes immediately. So the installation itself, after a certain experience, takes 10 minutes, with the joystick, which runs the tilting and rotation. So that opens the screen, the small set, where he can see the route of the inspection. And in every instance when the methane is detected, the camera gives it makes a snapshot, and the concentration of the methane is being detected. So obviously, depending on the environment, different type of carriers, vehicles could be utilized for this purpose. Another solution which could be also used for a vehicle, it's a device which takes samples of the air and could be mounted in the vehicle. It is called Selma-Dur because it measures, it detects two types of gases, methane and ethane, at the same time. And it could be used as just a backpack for the manual inspection of the gas leaks by just getting through the inspection route by operator. Or it could be installed on the vehicle and the same inspection could be done during vehicle movement along the inspection route. So the software, which is a free application software for Android type of smartphones, can be used for the manual operation, and we're also exhibiting this application here on the on our booth. So can instantly demonstrate the exceeding concentration of methane and ethane, and it can also quantify the concentration from the ppm measurements into the grams per hour, which is also important to know, to understand what are the losses of methane for the asset owner. So here is, there are screens of the application, again with the snapshots and with the route of the inspection, which could be recorded and then reported to the customer after the inspection. So for the UAVs, we also offer various solutions depending on the type of the UAV. For this we have payloads of different weight. there are three models which we present in the market, and they're also used for different type of applications, different type of inspection objects. So here there are some images of the types of the aerial carriers. Okay. So the operator sees on his monitor the route of inspection, and which could be pre-programmed so that the UAV can fly according to a certain plan, so that there is no need to repeat it any time. So just it could be recorded and then just used again and again for periodic inspections. Video on one of the latest detector onto the drone. So this yellow box is methane detector, and there are other types of detectors just to verify the readings. This detector weighs only 300 grams, so it's very light. So deliverables after the inspection by the UAV, so we can report on the methane concentration, the geoposition of each leak. We present the electronic map with the flying route, the snapshots of the of every occurrence, and optionally we can also give it quantification data. So stationary systems or fixed systems, they could be used for type of gas distribution stations, gas purifying facilities, refineries, something like that. The system is intrinsically safe. So
on modern industrial sites related to the extraction and utilization of natural gas, safety is a top priority. Even minor methane leaks can have serious consequences. Introducing the stationary laser system, LMS Mini, for detecting natural gas leaks, an innovative solution that ensures continuous safety monitoring. The LMS Mini is a compact yet powerful laser system, specifically engineered for continuous automatic scanning along a predefined trajectory. LMS Mini is equipped with cutting-edge technologies, allowing it to detect even the slightest methane leaks in real time at a distance of up to 120 meters. With a predefined scanning trajectory, the LMS Mini monitors every corner of the facility, providing full coverage and accurate detection. The operator receives leak information directly on their control panel and can take instant action to address the issue. The intuitive operator interface provides real-time data and instant alerts. With its uninterrupted 24/7 scanning, the LMS Mini offers constant surveillance, delivering peace of mind for facility managers and workers alike. Thanks to LMS Mini, industrial sites become even safer and more environmentally sustainable. We strive for safety, efficiency, and responsibility in the utilization of natural resources. The LMS Mini for detecting natural gas leaks is a step forward in that direction. Together, we're shaping a future of secure and sustainable energy.
Yeah, the last but not the least, the portables. Again, these devices also presented at our joint booth with our esteemed local partner, Bulk MRO company, and they have their own demo device. So when we leave back home, you can still cooperate with them and use their device for testing where it is needed or whoever is interested. So the device has a Bluetooth capability, and again, being connected to the smartphone with application can do basically the same measurements and the same operations as the bigger and larger systems which has been presented before. So this is a distant device, so it can detect laser plumes at a distance up to 30 meters away from the specialist. And the beauty of the device is that it uses the commercially available AA batteries, so no need to feel concerned about expenditures on the costly replaceable batteries which need to be ordered from the OEM. So those are the screens of the application, again showing the levels of the methane and giving quantification. Optical gas imaging cameras, they can not only measure the leaks of methane and other gases, but they can show the shape of the plumes. So, and this is the thermal principle, which are these cameras based on. On our joint booth, we have this camera, and for those who are interested with this advanced technology, becoming more and more on demand by customers, we'll be happy to demonstrate. Acoustic camera, completely different principle, physical principle. While the previous solutions were mainly dedicated to detecting methane, the acoustic device can detect any pressurized gas leak, because the principle is ultrasonic, detecting ultrasonic waves remotely and converting them into the visible image of the leak area. Again, the device is available on the booth, and we will be pleased to demonstrate it to anyone who is interested. Okay, we also offer services, not only selling products, so we can just be involved in service providing activities. So in different countries, we sell services as products. So that's about it. Thank you very much. If any questions, you can visit us at our booth.